Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and analysis of all things industrial and scientific. Today, we're diving into something essential for any workshop or DIY enthusiast: the Vifmy SAE Rivet Nut Assortment Kit. If you're in the market for the best Nut Sert solution out there, stick around because we've got you covered. Before we jump into the specifics, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews and product recommendations. Now, let's talk about the Vifmy SAE Rivet Nut Assortment Kit. This kit comes with a whopping 240 pieces of precision-engineered rivet nuts, crafted from high-quality carbon steel with a zinc-plated finish. It's designed to tackle a variety of projects, from automotive repairs to furniture assembly and everything in between. Here's why this kit stands out. It includes 6 different sizes: number 6 to 32, number 8 to 32, number 10 to 24, 1x4 to 20, 5x16 to 18, and 3x8 to 16 UNC. This comprehensive range ensures you have the right nut sert for any task, big or small. Each size is neatly organized in a clear case, making storage and retrieval a breeze. No more hunting for the right size in a jumbled mess. Everything is sorted and ready to go. The rivet nuts themselves are not just about convenience, they're built tough. The carbon steel construction offers exceptional strength and durability, while the zinc-plated finish provides excellent corrosion resistance. This means your projects stay secure and reliable over the long haul. Wondering where you can use these? The applications are endless. Whether you're installing fixtures, working on electronics, or even enhancing structural integrity in your projects, these nut serts come in handy. They're trusted across various industries, from automotive to aerospace, for their reliability and ease of use. Plus, the design of these nut serts featuring flat-head vertical threads ensures a snug fit and anti-slip effect. This not only simplifies installation but also enhances stability, crucial for critical applications. What are users saying? Well, many have praised the Vifmy SAE Rivet Nut Assortment Kit for its comprehensive selection, robust build quality, and ease of use. It's no surprise it's become a favorite among professionals and DIYers alike. So, should you invest in the Vifmy SAE Rivet Nut Assortment Kit? Absolutely. Whether you're starting a new project or replenishing your workshop essentials, this kit delivers on quality, versatility, and value. And there you have it, folks. That wraps up our review of the Vifmy SAE Rivet Nut Assortment Kit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow enthusiasts. Leave us a comment below about your thoughts on this product or any questions you might have. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Until next time, happy crafting and stay tuned for more reviews on the best tools and gadgets out there. Take care.